In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX wallet to a bank account. First, open your OKX mobile app. Next, tap on Assets located in the bottom right corner. Here you can scroll from Overview to either your funding or trading account. Now tap on the Home button in the bottom left corner. Tap on the app's icon at the top left corner. Select P2P trading from the options. Then tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Select Payment to choose your payment method. Tap on Add Payment Method. Choose the desired currency. Select your payment method from the provided list. Enter your account name and email. After providing all the necessary details, return to the P2P section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Then tap on the Sell option. Once you have completed these steps, any merchant with a store by their name is whom you will be trading with. The trade involves selling your USDT to gain monetary value, which is your fiat currency. You can do this by clicking on the Sell option. After selecting Sell, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, and your fiat worth will be deposited directly into your bank account. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on OKX. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.